Hello everyone, this side Sabha. Today I'm going to give an overview on my Python mini project. This is the project. I will show you how it's work and explain how team management system code works. Basically, if I talk about this, so this is the this program totally work on CRUD operation like create, delete, update, mm, and read as well. So for managing application team in a competition like any cup competition system, it follows a repository pattern with persistence Johnson storage. As you can see, I have already import JSON here, import OS as well. For date time, we import date time module here for getting time. So our first is core data model is team class team. Why we use it? Uh, we use it because we present a team with attributes like ID, name, payment status, cancellation status, and cancellation date as well. So the purpose is represent the fundamental business identities with these attributes like ID for unique identifier. It will auto increment further. Name for team name paid, whether they paid or not, uh, like payment fees. Cancellation date, we also use ISO format data string for cancellation tracking as well. So here is the key method we use here to district convert team object to dictionary for JSON serialization. We use for both deserialization and serialization as well. And from underscore dict, we use here class method that reconstruct object from dictionary in a factory pattern we use. And here for is- under double underscore str, we use provides human readable string representation. And data persistent layer, we use repository class here, df init. um, and the responsibilities of this handle and saving files, loading team data to and from JSON file, abstract storage implementation from business logic, handle input and output operation for JSON as well. Manage, as I said earlier, it will manage for the serialization as well as deserialization between object and JSON, and implementing error handling for corruption files. We use key method as well. Save converts team objects to dictionary with writes to JSON files. Load, we use here read JSON files, convert dictionaries back to team object. Here is the load, this one. And business, if I talk about cup class, so cup class manage a collection of teams, including add, remove, update, static search, and filter auto saves after the changes. Of, maintain in a memory collection of teams, manage auto increment ID system, ensure data persistence after every modification. It will work. So if I talk about add team here, so add team create new team with auto generated ID. And for remove team function, we use delete team by ID using list comprehensive filter here we use. After that, update team, we use update team attribute, for example, paid cancellation, yeah, cancellation date. It will auto save if further, further if someone wants to cancel a payment date, or maybe he want to cancel. So we have that option as well for update team. And here team by direct ID. Why we use it? Get a team by ID. A direct I. This is the search by name we use here. If someone want to search by name. And filter, we have also used filter by payment. If someone want to know whether he paid or not, so we will also check it this as well. And here more important, get statistic, we use return statistic, total teams, percent paid, and cancellation team. So calculate metrics, total team payment, and auto save pattern. Every modifying operations calls repository dot save, like self dot teams, ensure data consistency. That's why we use it here. And here also we use some search by name, yani means search teams by name is a case insensitive, and that's why we use dot logger for changing alphabets in name if someone want to put in alphabets. Filter by payment status, filter teams by payment status, that's why we use it here. And we use display the menu, like team management system. One is add a new team, second view team by ID, list all teams, update teams, remove, show statistics, search team by name, filter team by payment status, cancel team, set cancellation date. We have that option as well. And if we enter 0, so we will exit the main program. And in the main function, if we talk about, so continuously menu display with user input handlings, like try and catch blocks we use here. For ID, parsing and date validation we use, like add team, collect name and data, payment, delegates to cup, then view team ID, and also lookupping for errors as well. List to all, simple iteration through all teams, update payment, partial update using uh, if remove ID based deletion with confirmation, statistic display, calculate matrix, filter payment status based filtering we have used. Cancel team is a specialization update with date validation using date time dot strip time we use for this, and date flow and persistence. Here we use basic validation. So the flow is basically, first we take user input, and for main it will go in main loop. Then it will check a couple methods, whether which we want to uh, means we want to update a team data, or check the data, and if we want to remove it, permanently delete it, so it will work as per our inputs which we want. Then repository goes to JSON files. For serialization chain, same happen at team object like to dicts. It goes to JSON and then it will serialize. After that, it will goes to file storage and deserialization chains happen here. Error handling and validation as well we use here for handling integer id and date time streams. These are the things we are use it, and how it works, so we will check and run it. Just okay, how it's work. Yeah, this is the name. If I want to enter one, so it will let me team name means India. Please pay yes. Which give me team ID, means team name and ID. If I talk about view team ID, so we will see second option choice 2. Team ID is 1, so it goes me name is Sabah, page cancellation. This one is showing. If I want to see the all list of the teams, then 3, where we see ID 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 4, 5. And if we want to remove it, suppose I want to remove it, so I will choose 5, then remove 2. I can see here in this point 2 is not there, so I will enter 2. So if we enter 2 here, so it's showing me no team found with IT2, right? If I want to show statistics, 6 number is enter, then it will show me total team percentage paid 75, cancellation item is 1. So if we want to exit, so it's showing exit program. I hope you like it.